Okay, good. Very good. Entrance Paradiso. So we are in Paradiso. Ayan po. Ay, activities, animal feeding, 300%. Horseback riding, ganyan. Fish spa, and tree planting. Paradiso ride.
Register na po sa loob, ma'am, mag-partition na. Then, parking fee po ng ating car. 2,190.
Lahat
Bali yung-
mapapasok na may feeding na din
Yes
daw.
po. Yung ating horseback, ma'am, optional lang po natin yun, ma'am. Kung i-avail natin, ma'am, 100 pesos po siya per head. Pwede naman tayong pwede naman po natin balikan or pwede po nating magsimula. Pwede rin po sa atin na magbayad kung sakaling mag-avail tayo ng horseback.
Mismo pwede na
Yes
rin
po.
magbayad.
Yes po.
Okay, sige. So, dyan na lang. Yung feeding.
Isang check po siya, ma'am. May kasama po siyang grama.
Ayun, Ayan na, for feeding. Ano ang pinapapakain? Pakain niya saan? Goat. Goat pala. Tsaka, saan? Pakain ng animal. One set is how
Change
much?
po nila, ma'am, 810.
Okay. Ay, isang set na ganito. Dagdagan ng isang bok choy tsaka isa pang
Ayun,
saging. Bok choy. Yan. Para saan yan?
Para at least makapag-enjoy po
Para
kayo.
tag-isa sila. Oo,
Kasi kahit si tour guide na po, ma'am,
may tour guide na doon.
Apo, ma'am.
Ayan na. Okay, ito po, hindi na kami nakababa doon sa may entrance. Pero, ganun pa rin naman nakalagay doon, Paradiso. Ito po yung vicinity map. Dito sa Paradiso, vicinity map. Ayan, So, may animal feeding pala tayo. May greenhouse, may wedding pavilion, may orchid pavilion, vegetable field, goat house. May mga dragon fruits pala doon. May show area. Rodeo go round. Farm frenzy. Ano pa yan? May playground doon banda. May log cabin. May Noah's Ark. Pet. May columbari. May swine, may ano pa yan, hogs area, may chicken area. Nakita nyo po, may Ati Institute Pet Cemetery. Mayroong ganito dito. Ay, meditation garden, may honey bee, may butterfly garden, reservoir, and a big greenhouse, picnic area. Okay, so we are getting ready now to make the tour. This is our group. Paradiso. Hey! Ayan na po. So, our guide is ready. She'll bring us around. And we have the ducks here and one turkey. I could see one goose. Kuya, pwede mag-English? Yes, kasi para makaintindi bata ng English.
So,
English. Yes, Spanish.
before we proceed, we'll just have picture taking here in our Paradiso ride.
Go.
We go here.
We go there to take a photo.
Let's go and take a photo.
Yeah.
Paradiso. There you go. Picture taking. Sige, go and pose. Take a pose. Wow. You go around with all those. The geese. The geese, the ducks, and the turkey. There you go.
Look here.
Look out of the bus. Yay! That's the Paradiso ride.
Po si sir po, pwede po dito si sir.
Ayan
Si ma'am na lang po.
Ooh, wow. Driver. Sa driver siya. How nice, how nice. How nice. So, ano din ako, post din daw po ako, Ito na. Ang dali. Ayan sila, feeding. Ayan, sige lang. No problem. Oh, no problem. Oh, I want to take that video. Mas importante yung video. Ayan na, oh. Uy, kumakain sila. Wow. Wow, thank you po. We're in paradise kasi paradiso, right eh. Yay. Okay. Uy, balik na naman ako sa painit, oh. Are you? You're so big. That's the ostrich. The strutio. What is unique to ostrich? The ostrich relies on its strong legs, uniquely two-toed, with the main toe developed almost as a hook to escape its enemies, chiefly humans and the larger carnivores. Ayun pala. Ayan ang ostrich. So, feeding now.
Oh dear. Baka matakot siya.
Sample. Oo, may sample. Ayan na. Alik ostrich.
You put it, you don't move back because they might get frightened. Might frighten them. So,
Grabe ng mga ducks pala. Oh, and the geese and the turkey.
Take it out.
And the horse,
Go, go, go,
the
go. Over
donkey,
there, over
and
there.
the ostrich.
Ostrich, you
Wow.
put your hand out like
There.
Wawa dance. Wawa dance.
Masakit din. Oo, nakakagulat. Masakit? Masakit pala eh. Oh, hello ostrich. Hello ostrich.
No, it will be.
Oo, first time lang eh. Oo, napilas, nasugatan ka ba?
I'm here, back again. So don't make.
Okay.
Ipalapitan mo kamot.
O, ibang kamay naman?
Actually, I'm scared.
Oo nga eh.
Kasi bala ito kaon niya.
Kaon niya ang kamot mo. Wala na, hindi na, wag na lang. Kasi,
Oh, you never know.
oo nga eh. Eto na lang sila oh, mga gansa, mga bibe.
Go.
Bibe, ang mga bibe at ang mga gansa. Ay.
Wow! Is that all?
Ay, kaya butangan ko hapin ka sakit yan.
O, di pa ito ang imo nga dahon.
Ang dahon.
O, mapakaon mo pa na.
Ay, takot eh. Takot. Masakit daw eh. Kasi napaka-long beak niya oh. Mahaba yung kanyang nguso. Ay, naku naman. Ewan ko ba? Oh.
Oh, shit, come on.
Halika na, baby. Ano kailangan? Flat na flat. Flat, flat, flat.
Unat mo.
Okay, good. Very good. Ah, I did it. Yoo-hoo. Yay, you're full now. Oh, don't be scared. Okay na. Okay na. Waiting siya. Oh, you go. Ikaw pa. Wanna try? Ayaw na. Rabbits. Wow. The children are going to feed the rabbits with their, wow, how nice. Hey bunny, you eat the carrot. Carrot. Ay, ang cute. Ang cute. Wow. Feeding the bunnies with carrots.
Malis. Pasok, Malis.
Ay, ang dami.
Ayan na.
Ang galing.
Ang dami. Oh, ito.
Very
Oh, ang dami nila. Wow, nag-agaw sila, oh. Yoo-hoo.
Very good.
Oh, cool.
You have to have something.
Ay, nice. Uy, ang dami. Yay, ang dami. Oh, nice. Yan, Ocean.
They're eating from the palm of my hand.
How nice. Let's go feed the goats. There you go. There. Wow, nice. Go up. Closer.
Alang ka. Oh, shit. You gave it away. You have to hang on to it. Oh, hold this one. Hold it.
There
Ah.
you go. Nice one. Closer. There you go. There. Very nice. The goat. Step closer, closer. Don't be afraid. Okay, that's right. So that the goat will eat. Yes, oh, you give it away. There you go.
I got this straw. Away lang. Until they finish it.